Hello, my name is Overcuya. My age is 28 years old. My program is Math Degrade. I live in the Valle del Cauca. I like it and music and soccer. Well, I will tell about the monument to Cacique Jamundi. The oral tradition of the Jamundi is the history of the cacique that about arrived in the Spaniard resisted to the invasion and hid a great treasure. According to the Indian oral tradition, Jamundi was a warrior chieftain who lived on the day for the people. Cacique Jamundi monument emblematic to the history of Jamundi lies in the center of the park. Cacique Jamundi is again bronze can copper mold, standing on a pedestal at 2.5 meters over the park saying and just construction was decided for year for 25 million. I cost municipality to raise the massive monument by 1 meter. God serve invited to visit Hamdi where they seek and enjoy delicious chorado. Thank you. Bye bye.